Mark Hunter, the Sales Hunter. Hey, welcome back. It's Monday morning sales motivation, and I want to talk about those 3 great tools, and one of them in there, your network. What are you doing with your network? Your network is so full of potential, you don't even, well, some of you may have people in your network you got to get rid of because they're impacting your mind. I talked about that in the last one, but here's what I want you to do. I want you to think about how do you grow your network? How do you make your network be that much more valuable? What have you done in the last week to help your network? How are you helping other people? You know, it's interesting. What I found is that the more I help other people, the more other people are willing to help me. Now, when I'm helping other people, it puts me in a whole different state of mind. I get jacked, I get jazzed, because it's helping my network grow. And you know what it's doing? It's increasing my value. Because what you have out there is you have a network that's out there that's talking about you, that's thinking about you, that's helping you get to your goals. Leverage your network this week. I want you to make it a plan every day to say, who in my network can I help? Who in my network can I help? You may not be able to do that every day, but if you just be thinking about it, at least do it a couple times a week. It's amazing the results you'll have long term. Hey, Mark Hunter, the Sales Hunter, great selling.